My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. Today I want to start mathematics for 11th class students. I will discuss important questions and some previous years important question papers for the coming examination. See, in mathematics, coordinate geometry I want to take today. Coordinate geometry. This is a common part for all important competitive examinations also. See, A 10, 12 and B 16, 20. Find the length of AB. A is the point and the x-coordinate of that point, that is A 10, 12. That means first point x-coordinate, that is x1 equal 10. Then first point y-coordinate, that is y1 equal 12. First point's x-coordinate is 10, that is x1. First point y-coordinate is 12, that is y1 is 12. Then second point x-coordinate, that is b 16, 20, that is x2 equal 16. Then second point y-coordinate, that is y2 is equal to 20. We must find out length of AB, that is the distance between A and B. There is a formula, the distance formula, that is AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is AB. That is equal to root of here x2 minus x1, that is 16 minus 10. That is 16 minus 10 whole square plus 20 minus 12 whole square. 20 minus 12 whole square. 20 minus 12 whole square. That is equal to root of 16 minus 10 whole square. 16 minus 10 whole square is 6 square plus 20 minus 12 whole square, that is 8 square. That is equal to root of 6 square, that is 36, plus 8 square, that is 64. That is equal to root of 100. Root of 100. That is equal to root of 100. That is equal to 10. That is equal to 10. Root of 100, that is equal to 10. So, if A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2, so the length of AB, that is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Using this distance formula, we can find out the length of three sides of a triangle or the length of all the sides of a square or rectangle or a quadrilateral. That is, we must find out length of AB and length of BC and length of CD and length of AD. So, this is known as the distance formula. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Next is the formula is if A x1 y1 and b x2 y2, then slope of AB equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is the formula. We must find out the slope of the line segment. See, find slope of A 10, 18 and B 20, 28. Find the slope of line segment AB. Here we know x1, that is x coordinate of the first point, x1 equal 10. Then y1 equal y1 equal 18. Then x2 equal 20. Then y2 equal 28. Therefore, slope of AB is given by the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is equal to 28 minus 18 divided by 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10, that is equal to 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. Slope is 1. Clear? So, slope of a line segment AB is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Therefore, 28 minus 18 divided by 20 minus 10 equal 10 by 10. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Okay? Next formula is, see, if A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, then equation of AB, that is equal to y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Clear? That is the formula. If A 10, 12 and B 16, 24, then find equation of AB. See, here x1, that is x coordinate of the first point, that is equal to 10. Then y1, that is y coordinate of the first point is 12. Then x2 equal to 16, that is x coordinate of the second point is 16. And y2 is equal to 24. Y coordinate of the second point is 24. Find the equation of the line segment AB. Equation of the line segment is given by y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is the formula. So, y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Clear? So, this is equal to y minus y1, that is y minus y1 is 12. Y minus 12, that is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 24 minus 12 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 16 minus 10 into x minus x1, that is x minus x1 is 10. So, this is equal to y minus 12 equal 24 minus 12, that is 12 divided by 16 minus 10, that is 6 into x minus 10, that is equal to y minus 12 equal 12 by 6, that is 12 by 6, that is equal to 2 into x minus 10, that is equal to y minus 12 equal 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into minus 10 into 2, that is minus 20, that is equal to y minus 12 equal 2x minus 20, that is equal to 2x minus y plus 12 minus 20, that is equal to 2x minus y minus 8, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line segment AB. Clear? So, slope of the equation, if A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2, then slope of the equation is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If A x1, y1, B x2, y2, then the equation of AB is given by the formula y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Then next formula we had already studied, that is A x1 y1 B x2 y2, then distance formula, that is length of AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will continue the concept of coordinate geometry in next video. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Wish you all the best. Thank you.